Does cleaning of your teeth by a professional dentist cause sensitivity? Dr. Ravi is here to answer your question. That is not at all true, guys. The sensitivity is caused by removal of calculus from the sensory portion of your teeth. What is that sensory portion? It is the dentinal tubules which has the dentinal fluid. I'll explain this in my further video. See, the calculus, when it is removed, you start feeling sensations. And why are these sensations important? See, when you touch something, you feel it is hot, you have to remove it to avoid further damage. Same happens in your oral cavity. These all sensations have a reason for it. If the sensations are too out of control, please tell your dentist. He or she will help you to get rid of the sensations temporarily. But everyone has sensitivity in some or the other level. If you're too sensitive, then tell your dentist. He or she will help you with that. Scaling is a very crucial part of your oral hygiene and it is very important, guys. Never hesitate to tell your dentist about sensitivity if you get after scaling. Cheers, guys. Stay safe.